Should we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are starting. The topic for today's discussion is India a racist country? We will start.
Whom you say to start?
Aryan, you start.
Yes, sir. Sir, I personally feel that India is not a racist country because in Constitution of India it is clearly mentioned that all citizen of India is equal in front of law, and there is no discrimination on the basis of caste, color, gender or religion. But practically, sir, it is not correct because every day we saw in a news that many type of violence occurred around the country, and the main reason of violence is only caste system. And if any person who belong to Brahmin, then they considered superior, then they considered himself as a superior, and the person who belong to Dalit, they considered as a inferior. So I think that these all things means laws, policy and rule are made by the government, are only written in a constitution, but it is not followed or embedded in a people mind, and it is not followed by the people. But according to the constitution, sir, it is also true that India is not or never be a racist country, because it is the only country in the world where all types of people are living, of any religion. And it is rightly said that India is a country of unity in a diversity. And this racist word appears, sir, when this particular racist word appear when we think that our religion is better than the others. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Aryan. Radhika.
Yes, sir. So basically, what is racism? So any type of distinction or exclusion or the preference over others. So in the simple words, I would like to say it is a idea of belief where one race is superior to the other in terms of caste, color, or race or ethnicity, you can say. So there is no second thought that India is racist or not. Definitely, India is a racist country. Even I would say India is most racist country in the world, because we every day we saw the everywhere every day we saw the every day we see that there are many cases, many attacks against the Africans, against the Nigerians, or in northeast people as well. Because if I take bottom light of all these attacks, like I would like to say one or two example of this. Few years ago there were attacks in the Greater Noida on the people of Africans, both students and working people, who are brutally beaten up. So it is a very worrying thing, because that's not how India is. India is known as a unity, or it is known for Indian people is known for liberal. And apart from this, we ourselves have also faced so many racism against the in the South Africa or America. And also Mahatma Gandhi has faced racism against the in the South Africa as well. So basically, India is not like that. India has much diversity compared to all other countries. So I think this is a very serious issue in the India, and government should. There are so many laws against for this, but I don't think they are working well in this context.
Okay, Radhika.
That's all.
Sachin.
Um, Good evening to everyone. Basically, the racism defines means simply that discrimination on the basis of caste, color, language, and their race, and few of them by body also. Uh, in India, there are most though in our country constitution it is mentioned that we should not discriminate on the basis of the caste, color, and race, though we are discriminating on this, many of us getting uh, many today many controversies are happening due to these types of the discrimination. Many people are just are just judging the people on the basis of their looks also, and on their language also. If a person who doesn't know English, he must be a inferior person, not a superior, in this world of the modern. And many and in the newspaper headlines every day it's mentioned that there is a fight due to the discrimination in the caste. You can caste on the basis of the caste. So in India is the most most uh, most racist country, one of the most racist country in this world. Uh, b- the For the politicians, the racism is a type of a vote bank. So, the government are also not taking any strict actions on it, so that we are not get, we are not getting the solutions of these types of the problems. So the discrimination is still going on.
Okay, Sachin. Jen, on the topic.
Yeah, in my views, India is not a racist country, but the some of the people makes it so. Because in our country, because of this political process, is just like that even a single person knows that how to get their importance, how to get the votes. They just make differences between the two religions, and they just take their vote banks. So it's not like that, but yeah, if someone feels like that he is just discriminating or something like that, then they can just raise their voice according to the law. So our constitution is something like that, that even some people or some group feels like that, then they can just raise their voice. So actually, I am not fully agreed with that, but yeah, some there is some groups and some people are taking disadvantages for their vote banks only. So that actually creates the racism. Otherwise, we are, as we know that we are having in our country, there are different cultures, different religions, but after that we are having a single country. But in USA, as we all know that there is some recently there is some clashes between black and white, as same as because of the political process. They are just taking that advantage, and for their benefit of their votes and something like that, they just clashed between the two uh, groups. So it's not as that much, but yes, some people make it so for their own benefits. So political process is the main cause in my views for whole this racism.
Okay, Jen. Okay, next question time.
Uh, I want to ask Jane that many of the Indians, means Brahmins of the upper caste. He mentioned, sorry, he mentioned that some of the people are just discriminating. But I want to mention that many of the Brahmins of the which are the upper caste of the society in our Indian system, they uh, don't used to drink water from the lower caste people, and the population of uh, the upper caste people are much more.
That actually was in recent in previous years. Now if you're just going to nowadays, the totally the picture is changed. If you go somewhere outside and you don't know that he's from lower cost or something like that, they're just making foods or they just come to your home and just mopping or cleaning the utensils, something like that. But now the whole picture is changed. It was, yes, I agree that it was previously in our history there is some difference in between these two, firstly because of the their own views. But now the picture is totally changed. Now they are from people are just having taking from food or something like that. They are just
Uh, it's
mixing
now
with each
also
other.
it's also continuing now because
Yes.
many of the Brahmins don't even drink water from the Muslim person's hand.
Yes, sir. I
That
also
I think that was in remote areas. If you just come
No,
to cities or
it's
urban
in the
areas,
urban cities also. In urban cities, many of the pundits, I want to mention pundits, they don't even feel comfortable to touch a Muslim girl.
yeah, maybe that will be right. But same from the Muslim side also. If they
Yes,
are just taking
same from the
the,
Muslim side also.
yeah,
I don't judge, but I want to ask this.
And they
yeah,
Yes,
do
Radhika.
all these things, and they do all these things because only there is a lack of knowledge.
yeah, lack of knowledge and previous, they are not believing in the future. They are just uh, taking the things which is actually guided by their previous peoples.
Yes, and from history, it was embedded in our mind that Dalits are inferior. So at the present time also we are considering that, not fully, but some time it
Yeah,
was
in
considered.
remote areas maybe happen, but now picture is, I think, changing day by
Change.
day. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
it's not as that
Nah,
much that was in our history or previous years.
not a good settled businessman will drink water from a lower caste people also. Then what will you say about his or her mentality of that businessman?
Yeah, that is what
He
I'm
he does
saying, that
he don't
exactly
use
the
to
mindset
he
which is framed like what they get from their
so then why are
civic
you
people
talking
or
about the remote areas? Many of the big officers also don't drink water from their colleagues' home. And
no, I have not seen like that in urban areas, but yes, in
Radhika,
remote areas,
any
I checked that
Radhika?
there is some difference between.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Go on to
sir.
say.
I agree. Yes, sir. I agree with Sachin totally because nothing has changed yet. But I would say we have to change these all things because as I said earlier, India is not like this. So as he was said, like that Brahmins not don't take water from the lower caste or the Dalits. It is all right. It happens in villages as well as urban areas as well. So this is the main issue of India.
But now it is not happening. I think
Yeah,
that
and
in
picture is,
urban area it is not happening. Only few
you
people
think
who has lack of knowledge, they are only doing this type of work.
I
yes,
I, I
Because
want to
now who all people are drinking water from single pipe through water of single pipeline. Then how they know
yeah,
that this is coming
ah
from a Muslim area, Muslim house, or Dalit house?
in the big in every rich class society's home there is a purifier on which they have trust that it will purify all their impurities.
but how can
And
they purify the touch if a Muslim
Yes,
or if a lower caste just supplying the from PHE they are supplying the water supply? Then how
they
can they purify that if they
they,
think so like that?
they are thinking like that. They do. I, uh, do you think that Ambani drinks the water from the from her maid or her from his
But
driver's.
why not drink? Many rich people are drinking because they put many maid in their house, and maid only he
I,
means maid only bringing water or food to their
because
owner.
because the maid is bringing the water which is in their house, in this his or her house. But when they don't go to their maid's house to drink water, if they will go, they don't drink.
But you said that it practice of touchability. Then if a maid bring water, then water is touched by their hand.
No,
Why
in the
it is touched?
because in serving water, we have to in its etiquettes in manners, we have to serve water without touching it, and these things are followed in the rich class society.
Okay, from
I do
I
audience,
don't
agree
think that
with
I
you.
from
don't think
audience,
that it is followed in a rich society. It
Yeah,
is
yeah,
only
I do
followed
agree.
by many means old people
Old
who
people,
are
yeah.
yes. In urban
from
area also it
audience,
is followed only
from
by
audience,
old people.
anyone want to ask any question to anyone from audience?
As Sachin is saying that rich people are doing all this, but I don't believe that if Ambani like people, their servants are not from the lower caste or not from the this lower caste. How
Sir,
do
sir, I
you
want, sir,
justify
I
that?
want to, sir, I
Yes,
want to
Radhika.
say something. I think we are distracting from our topic. Is India is a racist country? I think we are discussing about very little things in the big area of racist. There is so many other examples as well of the racism. So I think we are distracting from our topic.
Yes, Radhika,
Just
you
go
can
ahead
put.
with that example. Yes, yes.
Yes, Radhika, you can put some examples here.
Yes, sir. I have told examples of attacks on the Americans, attacks on the Nigerians, and people from the
In India,
northeast area. They are, yeah, in India, people from the northeast, they are facing problems because of their physical look. Like they have small eyes like Chinese, so they are called like momos, chinkies, and something like this. And the south part of the India, they are facing racism because of their color, because they are black. So India is in the favor of white people, I think so.
You said that about African. So I want to say that why Africans are scrolled or scrolled by the Indians because few months ago
Yeah, yeah,
many Africans are taking illegally drugs, so that
yes,
they are scrolled by the Indians, and Indians
yes,
started thinking that every Africans are taking.
yeah. This is the main
So
problem.
this is the
I'm
misunderstanding of the Indians only,
yeah,
that only few are taking, not all.
yeah. This is all about because
So
if
this
someone
is the okay,
main
okay,
problem
say.
of India. Yeah, I'm also aware of this case. Like some Africans are caught with illegally drugs, or but not all the Africans are like that. Not all the other countries are like that. So India should understand that if someone is doing that, it's not mean that all the country, all the people are same.
Okay, but if we go in a deep, then we saw that at that time, news reporter, all are saying that all Africans are taking drugs. So it
I'm
was
at the
become our
answer.
mindset that every Africans are taking. So it was also a mistake of news reporter.
Ashish want
Yeah,
to ask or say,
Sir, who is more responsible for India is a racist country? Who is more responsible for India is a racist country?
yes, who is more
The
Political,
responsible?
Responsible.
political process. I think so.
what?
What? Please repeat more.
Political, political process of our country is
Politicians
yeah,
are
Yes,
responsible.
political leader. Yes, I also agree that political leader and many people of Indians, only Indians are only responsible. That
Only
I
in
only
India,
for
India
politician.
I think I think it's the lack of the awareness of the people due to which
yes,
the racism
awareness and knowledge also.
knowledge due to which the racism is continuing. If the people are aware of the person is having black color is not his fault. It's the genes which has gifted him a black color. It's not his fault. So if they will not judge anybody on the basis of the caste, color, and some
But I want to ask one question that this black color discrimination is given by whom? This was a culture of East Indian company that means foreigner. When foreigner came and they discriminate ours means Indians people because Indians are in black color. So from there we are taking this.
basically it wasn't given by the East India. It for the Indians. It was just by the Britishers for because at that time the Africans were made slaves and made slaves and were forced for doing every work due to which the uh, black were just suppressed during that time. And in India it's before the before before the East India Company arrives in India, or before it, many of the kings like Aurangzeb and Babar, Akbar, like that, also discriminated on the basis of the religion, and there were much more in earlier also. So,
Yes, and that is continuing at the present time also.
yes,
Okay, it is said that South Indians in South states does not respond well to Hindi speaking Indians. Is it happening?
uh,
Yes, sir, it's happening, sir.
it's happening, but many of them respond
Who is responsible?
very warm.
Politicians.
No, the mindset of the people, because if they know that the person is a Hindi speaking person, then they will try to communicate. They will understand their problems and will uh, go through it to solve the problems.
Radhika,
they
And
actually
that's why there is
Radhika,
a no single language for India.
let
Means
Radhika
national
say.
yeah,
language
that is why Hindi is
Let
not the
Radhika say.
considered as a national
Yeah.
language till
Yes,
now.
sir. Sir, if South people are not speaking English, then what is the problem in it? Is the North Indian people can speak Kannada? They don't. So it is not about South not if someone is not speaking Hindi or English, it is not their mother tongue language. So I don't think there should be an issue of the racism in this context area.
Okay, means they should continue doing this.
No, sir, but what is the problem in it? Like, if someone is not speaking English, so what is the problem in it? I can't understand
But
this.
but
but
South
they are
Indian
not
people are
actually
considering that they are a lower. That's why they are speaking Hindi. Means if you go for interview, then the people or candidate who speak English, they are considered as a superior and they are selected for the job. But who speak Hindi, they are not selected.
Jen,
So
So
I
it
they
so
actually
this
not
is only the
accepting
mindset of the okay.
they
Tell.
actually not accepting the Hindi as our official language of India. That is why this whole context is going on, and they just put if they are not there is no problem that someone is speaking the native language or not, but the thing is that if someone is not accepting that Hindi is our official language, then these things go in some other way. because every state or every north, south, east, west, every person, every parts of our nooks and corners are accepting, yes, Hindi should be our official language. But these south side people are just, their mindset is something like that, they are not accepting that, and they just demanding that their local should be given more preference for that. So this type of racism, we can say that, yeah, their mindset is not as that much, that they are not accepting that, or what is the main cause or main reason behind that, no one actually uh, know till now.
And
Okay.
this is not only for the South Indian, but the people who belong from Bihar, they think that Bhojpuri should be considered as a national language. And
Okay.
many people who belong from Maharashtra, they think that Marathi should be considered national language.
Okay.
Instead, they
So,
are just accepting.
so,
But in,
so all
when
people
it is
think
something
that
about,
their language should be accepted as a national.
Okay. Sachin.
Uh, yes, every people is asking for seeking for their own interest and wanting that if they have ease in their language, then they should then the government should make this language as national language. But they don't know that there in India there are too much there are many languages which many of them are not listed in the national language also. So they should understand that we live in a universe diversity of the peoples and the language, and there it's tough decision also for the government to take uh, to make one single language as a national language. So,
Okay.
but
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hindi language is
Okay,
Hindi
Sachin.
language is continuing from the.
Okay. In case of any natural or unnatural calamity, people help other people irrespective of caste, creed, or color. Is it true?
yes, sir, it's true.
Yes,
Or
sir.
racism
There is no doubt
still
about it.
exists in this case also?
No, no. Everyone is helping
Uh,
them. They just saw. They are not checking the religion before helping the others when some person is having a problem or something like that. Because this is actually the main rule of our Indian society, that they just help each other without knowing or discriminating that he is from that religion or he is from lower caste or something like that. That I totally agree with that.
Okay, Radhika.
Sir, can you repeat the question again?
In case of any natural or unnatural calamity, people help other people irrespective of caste, creed, or color. Is it true?
Sir, I do not agree all of them because it is not true in all the cases. Because I would like to give an example. Like if we are driving in a car, and if on the road in front of the car someone asks for help, and if he is like, I would say, if he's not in the sophisticated manner, or in the not in the appropriate dress, or like in the black color, then we would think again that we should help him or not. And on the other case, if someone is against this, like in the sophisticated manner, and if he's looking like well educated person, then without even a single thought we would like to help him. So it is not about like he's from the lower caste or the upper caste. It is about the mindset of the people, like they are not looking good.
No, no,
There
no.
may
Question
be
is different. Question
That
is
is
different.
not natural calamity. Yeah.
Natural calamity means like flood or accident. This type of
Flood,
Yes,
cases.
sir.
earthquake.
Yes, sir. Then definitely Indians would help.
Indians people.
Yes, sir. I'm
Sachin.
also agree, sir.
Sachin.
Yes, sir.
sir, I don't agree with any one of these
Okay.
because many of the politicians find it as a chance. Find it as a chance to gain the vote bank, as if they would have help their own caste people, then their own people will support him in his bad times also. And if they don't go for the other people also, other caste peoples. There are many cases, but few of the peoples, they don't discriminate. They just help by for the sake of the humanity, uh, but not all. Not all
Okay.
will go for helping others.
Sachin, you want to say that for name and fame they will help, and for
Yes.
vote?
Yes.
Many of the politicians will do it for the name and the fame,
But
but
what about the common people? We are
And
talking
I,
about
I,
common
I
people.
want to ask one question
no,
from
we are
Mr.
talking about
Sachin.
the every single person, I think.
Yes,
I
Every
want to
so
ask one question from Sachin, Mr. Sachin.
Yes.
If if one person from a Hindu community is a PM of India, then
Yes.
if a natural calamity occurred in some part of India, then he identified that those person who is Hindu, only that person I will help or give fund. At that time, I think that they give fund and help to every person who is suffering from that flood or
Yes.
any natural calamity. Then
Uh,
this is not
Continue,
true
continue.
that you said that
Listen,
Sachin,
Yeah, it's
Sachin
not
is
only when natural
politician.
listen,
calamity.
Sachin is
listen,
telling about ground level work.
Yeah, it's
listen,
not about the natural calamity. When we are talking about
listen.
natural calamity, then
I want to,
everyone
I
helps
want to just,
each
I
other.
want to just explain my example. If a minister in a city of Banaras, if there a natural calamity came, the people were suffering. The minister's first duty will be to secure every Hindu, not a Muslim society later on. He will
No, I
serve.
not
No,
heard
no,
or in
no,
a
no,
no.
news.
I
Yes,
don't
No,
agree.
I
yes.
not heard or
Yeah,
saw in a news
Jen will
till
say.
now that
Jen.
if any minister only helping Hindu.
yeah, definitely. I totally disagree with that. And if someone is doing like that, then they just everyone caught him, and they just coming in your
Why?
And
local
they will
Hindu caste
criticized by
community.
all the
Listen,
person,
if
Yeah,
not only Indian person. They are criticized by the outsider, means other country person also, if
listen,
Sachin,
they
can you
do
give
so.
example?
listen. I want to just explain that
Can you
if
give?
the
Yes,
if
yes.
in any region, in where the in any region there are more number of any particular caste of the people, and then there will be they will support to that minister, and rest will be go, because many of the Kattar Hindus and Kattar Muslim also, they don't they are not helping.
no, when the natural calamity occurs, then this will not happen, because everyone just uh, uh, checks, everyone not checking their whether he is from Hindu or Muslim community, but they just going for help, because this is our Indian society which totally helping each other and not going in these categories or
Uh,
something
And I
which
in
is
also
our
and
Indian
I, okay I,
in
and
our
I
Indian society, it's also the rules that we shouldn't discriminate on these types of the basis criteria, but we are discriminating.
Yeah, definitely. That is the point of political process. But when you're talking about natural calamity, then no one checks that he's from a Muslim community, or he's from Hindu community, or he's from lower caste. They
Uh,
just, as a mankind, they help each other.
in Bihar,
Humanity
and also
first.
I
in
want to say
Bihar,
that and
Humanity
also
first.
I
in
want to say
Bihar,
that
in Bihar, in Bihar, there is a natural calamity, but how many different castes of the people help them?
Yeah, as you
Many
said,
people are
Even though,
there is
helping.
even though,
lot of flood
even
in
though,
Bihar.
even though their ministers are not helping.
No, no, no.
Many minister and many people are helping to the people,
Hmm.
and they are not finding
Even though,
that I only give benefit to the one community from whom I believed or I belong. And I also
they
want to
are.
ask that if and I want to ask that if one leader means from a single community, if single community give vote to the one leader, then he or she will be on the seat of MP, means he or she became the minister from the vote of single particular community.
If
They
the
don't become.
if they if the that particular that particular caste are in the majority, then he will win.
No, I don't think so, because I read it in polity that from a single community vote, no person
You
can
read,
become.
you also read that there is no discrimination on the basis of the caste, color, and the creed, race. But it is what
Yes,
you
it
read.
is.
What you read is not
Yes, it is
what you read
happening.
is
But
not on the ground level. What you read is
yes,
not
I'm
Okay,
on the.
next
agree with you
question.
that.
Next question. In modern India, marriage proposals or job opportunities does not get affected due to caste or color. Do you think there is any truth in this statement or little truth?
No, sir.
The
No, sir.
I
the
don't
statement
agree
is
with
just false.
In this
This
situation,
is a
yeah,
false statement.
sir,
Modern
yes,
Even
sir.
India. In modern
yes,
India,
in modern India also.
marriage
Yes, sir.
proposals,
I
job
in this
opportunities
Yes,
situation. Okay,
does
sir. In
not
this
get
situation,
affected.
see. Okay, sir. I want to say that in this situation, I am agree with Miss Radhika and Mr. Sachin, because now also when any person want to marry, then he or she find girls from only his community or his religion. No,
yes.
nobody wants to marry in a, means no Hindu person want to marry in a Muslim.
Modern India,
No,
Radhika.
Yes, in modern India also.
no, sir, it's not like that, sir. In the earlier time, it is like that in intercaste, marriage proposal should be there. But nowadays, it is it India is improving in this context of area, because in context of job there will not be any effect of this, but in the context of the marriage, nowadays people are changing their thinking, because if someone love in other caste, then their parents will all then their parents will also support him if he or she belongs to a well family, not in the context of caste, in the
Mhm.
context of well mannered family.
Okay, Jen.
And that's
Jen.
yes, sir. In love marriages, it is not implemented, and but if someone is
As a,
preferring for the arranged marriage, then definitely I agree with you that it actually restricts community uh, 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 to marry with other religion or something, because
Okay.
our mind is something like that they just not go with that.
Okay, Sachin.
yes. I will support Jan. That in love marriage, it will be possible that you get a marriage proposal from your different caste, but in marriage, it it's negligible. It's very rare that you will get
But these days in modern India, love
marriage
marriage is
proposal from
converted
the
into
if
love marriage is being converted into
Arranged
arranged
marriage.
marriage,
lovely arrange.
isn't
No,
it?
yes, at that time
um,
parents you will agree
not not all
for
love
marriage.
marriage, not
What about
all love
job?
marriages are convert.
What about job opportunities? Does it also get
Mhm.
affected?
Yes, they are just some few times it just get affected.
Caste and color, Radhika.
No, sir, I don't
No,
think
no,
that.
no, no, sir.
No,
Definitely, it
sir,
will not,
because
sir. Because jobs are on the
Uh,
basis of their talents and their creativity. It's not related to their color or any caste.
Okay.
because
Jen.
Yes, sir. I
Yes.
think that in
Yes,
sir
Radhika.
in government
Because
job it not get
yes, Radhika. Because
it not affect, sir.
Yeah, in modern India, sir, it is not possible to give the jobs in on the religion base, because there are a lot of laws, and if someone do so, then some other person just go into the court and they just file a writ on that. Because of the strong constitution of our country, it is not possible as that much. But yes, if someone is getting the
in
private
private,
job, then
private.
yeah,
Yes,
in
sir.
Yes,
In
private
private job
yes.
it is
I was talking
prevalent, sir.
about the
then
private
it is
jobs.
possible.
Yes, sir. In
Yes,
private
No,
job
we
it is
are we
I
are
possible.
was
here
talking
talking
about the
about private
private.
job, not government,
Yes,
because the number of
yes. In
private
because
job
in
is more
government,
than government job. Yes, Sachin.
yes, sir. Because in government job we have to crack papers which are fully reserved, and few for the generals also. And on government jobs we can't discriminate on the basis of any caste, religion, language. But in private sectors, many of the peoples are get discriminated because of their religion, race, color, and their language
Okay,
also.
okay, okay. From
Yes,
audience,
sir. And I
anyone?
want to yes, sir.
Okay,
And I
Aryan.
want to add one thing that, sir, in private job also not all private job giving job to the people who belong to only their community, because sir in private job also owner of that company want good economy, means good capital. And what because if they give job to their community people, then what he do with those people if
But
he or
some,
she is not a
yes,
is
but
not
it is
yes,
capable.
happening.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
It is happening.
I want to mention. I want to mention that
Only
the
few
listen,
company it is happening,
Yes,
because
listen.
yes,
if
There
his
is
her
Sachin.
very
company is not improving, then what he do with their community people?
Listen, listen. There, first of all, the owner doesn't provide job. There is a commission which will select the candidate, and the commission can select from any caste, and the commission just want if the commission if the from any if the member of the commission and the candidate person has the same caste, then he or she will the for the sake of the caste, not for the sake of his company, because he is not the owner of the company.
But in commission also not only from single caste people are
Yes,
sitting. In commission also many
every
many types of people are
every person
sitting, means
every
in
person
every
prefer.
Okay,
caste.
And
Jen.
I also
yeah, sir.
don't want.
But
Yes, Jen.
in this modern era, actually, the thing is, private sector is also changing the concept of this getting the to giving the job to the this not on the community basis. They are also taking the skillful guys, and now the criteria is totally changed. And they before giving in small business or small private sectors, we can say they are just considering on the religion base. But if we are considering the big private sectors, big companies, then they just take the your skill test before get giving the job. And they
Okay,
don't they are also changing the way.
okay,
So
okay.
that
Radhika,
is not on the big companies.
Radhika.
yes, sir. I agree. Yes, sir. I totally agree with him because it is not like that. If someone is from the lower caste and he will not be skillful or he will not be intelligent, I think nowadays no one is actually worried about the caste. They are actually worried about the actual talent. In which way they are hiring, because if you have suppose two candidates, one with the lower caste and one with the middle caste, and if the lower caste is the more intelligent than compared to him, then what will one do? What the interviewer wants to hire the person with the more skillful uh, apart apart from the worries of the caste or something else.
Okay, 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 okay.
And we
Conclude.
take the example of
Okay,
Reliance
no, no
Jio.
example. Okay,
It is a
conclude.
private
Conclusion
company.
time. Conclusion time. Conclude one by one. Yes, Aryan, from your side. Conclude
Yes,
the
sir.
topic.
I want to say that, sir, racism is a common enemy to all, and we should all fight and find way and means to fight back against the racism. And people should stand up and take initiative to fight racism, sir, because this is as one situation which affecting the backbone of India.
Okay, Jane, conclude.
Yeah, sir. Nowadays, racism is actually from the general, not from the general categories, because the big thing is now the talent is not checking by the big authorities, and they just giving it on the category basis. So first, racism should be stopped by abolishing these reserved categories quota. Then we will say, yeah, there is no racism with general categories.
Okay, Sachin, conclude.
We should spread awareness to change the people's mindset, which is very old, and they should have mindset that we should live in unity in diversity.
Okay, Radhika.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the conclusion, I would like to say that India is definitely a racist country, and it is a very worrying thing about the India, because I don't know whether the parties, political parties, don't want to accept this thing, or they don't want to, because it may affect their area. So to to remove this, I think government should take the strict steps against this, and the definitely awareness should be there in the public mode.
Okay,
But
good.
government only involved in this.
Everything is on the hand of government. Okay, if he
Yeah.
can, if he want,
if
he
if
can.
government
If he don't want,
if government
But
also
no, he
government,
involved
can't.
in this, then who
government,
can do?
government take care of the votes only. That is the big issue.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for the discussion.